Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, showing with you today this stunning looking and brand new Range Rover Sport. Available here in this unique dark grey colour, it also benefits from a contrasting black roof and wing mirrors as well, along with these contrasting silver alloy wheels. Key equipment highlights will include the benefit of full LED pixel headlights with signature shaped LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side multi-spoke alloy wheels will really stand out. In the rear, uniquely styled sequential LED taillights are also on offer, and prominent Autobiography badging can be found around the side of the vehicle as well, with the benefit of that sliding panoramic roof. Inside the cabin, two-tone black and light upholstery will offer seating for three, with two ISOFIX chat anchor points as well as their very own two-zone climate. Cabins fully illuminated by that sunroof, and in the front, decorative door and dash inserts with Meridian sound system can be found, as well as more upgraded front seats that benefit from electric and memory function. The driver can enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is heated for added comfort, operating the interactive driver display as well as benefiting from head-up display projected on the windscreen. The 13-inch PV Pro connected services will house the likes of built-in sat-nav as well as DAB radio to find your favorite radio stations. Easy to operate two-zone climate will also unlock heating and cooling for your front seats, and bespoke drive modes are also on offer. The car also benefits from a sub-menu fitted to it as well, which unlocks a number of added bonuses such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and on top of the seats being heated and cooled, there is even a 5-stage massage function which will come in handy to those of you doing lots of mileage. Other great features in the vehicle will incorporate a number of driver assist functions such as those displayed on the screen now, and helping you park is a 3D surround parking camera system offering visibility all around the vehicle. Overhead, a digital rear view camera can also be found, which features auto dimming functionality, and easy controls for that sliding pan roof will also be on offer.